Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing some contacts here. These are from Unicoeye. So we have a few different colors that they had sent on over. So we have Premier Blue. There is also Premier Hazel and Caribbean Green. So we're going to first start off with the Premier Blue. So my eyes are naturally blue. They also had sent along these little tiny cases, which are absolutely perfect. So when you open it, it has a little tiny mirror inside of it. Has a little tool to put the contacts in and out. Also has a little tweezers to get the contacts in and out from the container itself. I love how these are left and right, so you always remember which one is which these are absolutely perfect. So these... All right, so we have the contacts here nice and open. So we're gonna start by opening them. Ooh. All right, so they're definitely very secure in these packets. It's clear, it has a little bit of black around the rim. All right, so I'm definitely gonna use the tools to get it out and get it set. I do have my hands washed, but I'm still gonna at least try them with the little tools that they come with. All right, so I've seen people do that. So the one thing I will say is a little cup tool. Not really cuppy-ish, but we're gonna put them in now. Here, so I can at least see what I'm doing. All right. Oh, that went in with such ease. And I'm really surprised, even though I have Blue's eye, that is very extremely vibrant. Like, you can see the color difference. All right, we're gonna open up the other one now. And these ones are monthly. They do have such an array of different type of contacts. All right, second one's a little bit more of a pain to get in the eye. All right, my eyes are watering a little bit, so we're just gonna let them water, and then I'll show you guys up close. Oof! But these are actually pretty darn vibrant, to be honest, for... Oh, wow. Like, I'm surprised because I have blue eyes and they really did add a lot of blue to them. And this one is, again, this color is the Premier Blue. All right, now we're gonna go with our second pair of contacts. This one is gonna be the Premier Hazel. All right, with the Premier Hazel, they have kind of like an orangish yellow glow to them. So this is my first time actually having hazel colored eyes. So this would be pretty interesting. So again, grab the tool, make sure they are the right way. Alright, so we got the hazel ones in, and we're going to be doing a close-up of these ones also, so let's get that done. So for me, I definitely do like more of vibrant colors when it comes to my eyes, or really theatrical anime style like eyes, or cosplay. So it's definitely weird seeing my eyes with a hazel color. So these are very picky though. If you put them in wrong, they're going to let you know. So we're going to put these one away, and then we'll be going on next with the green. The green I'm kind of excited for. It's very vibrant, but this is me with hazel eyes. A little bit of a darker color eye tone. Eye color. Before we try on the next pair of contacts, I'm going to show you guys the website and what they also have to offer at Unicoeye. So let's check it out. So at Unico, you have a large range of different type of contacts, all the way from cosplay to normal type of contacts. They do have a lot of deals also: buy 2 get 1 free, buy 3 get 2 free, buy 4 get 4 free, and free shipping on orders over $25 or more. So they definitely have a large range of different type of contacts, all the way to even scleras. So definitely make sure to go check out their website to find out what they have, and make sure to use my code also. And you can even spin the wheel to win a couple free gifts. But make sure to use my code to get 25% off of your order today. Alright, so now we're putting in the Caribbean green contacts. So let's see how these ones go. And make sure to definitely go check out their website. They have a lot of interesting things on there. Definitely a bunch of different type of contacts. These are going to be gorgeous. I already know it. These are very, very vibrant. Alright, these Caribbean green are absolutely gorgeous. They're very vibrant, and they really remind me of 02. If you ever seen the anime, it's a really good green eye color. It's natural, but very vibrant, which I really do like. So I'll show you guys. Alright, and those are all of my contacts from Unicoeye, so make sure to go check them out. They're absolutely comfortable, a large variety of colors, shades, from cosplay to so many different styles, so make sure to go check them out. I find them really comfortable. I know already a few of my friends order from them currently. I definitely will be getting some more, because I definitely have some cosplays in line that I need to get some contacts for to make them all the way to perfect down to the eyes. Don't forget to use my coupon code also. Here it is. You will get 25% off of your order. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye, everybody.